Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Hello.
What's your name?
We are very warm.
Where are you from? I noticed an accent.
From France.
Oh, wow. What is it that you do?
We're vocal performer.
Vocal performers.
Yeah.
Are you related?
No, we are old friends, but we're like brother now. So we are family.
And what is your dream? What do you want to do?
Our biggest dream is to win America's Got Talent.
So this is the dream.
Yeah.
So good luck.
I'm excited. They're like mysterious looking. I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to see everybody put your hands up! Down, down, son! Everybody say yeah! Everybody say whoa!
Bring some up in law, talk to them, becoming my dog, bring some up becoming my dog, becoming my Maya. This is the rhythm of chicken roll hot with us. This is the rhythm of chicken roll hot with us. This is the rhythm of chicken roll hot with us. This is the rhythm of chicken roll fight with us.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more talent. Come on, subscribe. Come on.